So number 16 then from paper 2, the 2025 Advanced Higher Maths, integration by parts for 5 marks. So carrying out integration by parts. Well, that's just where you choose one of them to differentiate and one of them to integrate, because you're using that pattern for the product rule again. The only problem with this is, usually you choose one that will whittle away, you're picking the weak one and it'll just go. But neither of them are willing to disappear, they just keep rotating through themselves. But that's also their weakness, because you can just let them rotate through themselves until they come back to you in that form, and then you can catch it. So I'll call that I, and as soon as I see that again, I know I've got it. Just let it run round. It'll be tedious, but you'll get it. So I'm going to differentiate that and integrate that. So what's I equal to? Well, integrate first. So that'll go to cos when we're integrating, so it'll be negative cos of 5x divided by that. So that's a fifth, negative a fifth of cos 5x, and that stays as e to the 2x. I know this is going to take a lot of room because I'm going to have to go through with that a few cycles. Minus the integral, now differentiate this one, e to the 2x, and leave that one alone. Take their turns, just like the product rule. Now I'm just going to tidy that up. So I'll take that out. So I've got negative a fifth e to the 2x cos 5x. That term's fine, that's been done. I'll take these bits out, so that'll be a plus. And I'll take the 2 and the 5 out. It'll be plus 2 fifths of, and here I'm back to another integral, e to the 2x cos 5x dx. See, it's just come back at you again looking, okay, it's slightly different, it's just turned its back on you. But next time around it'll turn its back again and then you'll get it. This is tedious because you have to write all this out. You could put dittos. I don't know what would happen if you put dittos. I'd rather just put dittos. Plus 2 fifths of, now the whole process again. Keep it the same way around, differentiate, integrate. Right, so I'm leaving that alone. I'm going to integrate that. That's going to go to a positive since you're integrating. 1 fifth of sine 5x minus, now the integral of, differentiate that one. It takes its turn. 2e to the 2x and leave whatever its result was alone, a fifth of sine 5x dx. I'll just type that lot up. E to the 2x cos 5x. Now tidy this bit up because this has also been done. So that's going to be 2/25. 2/25 of e to the 2x sine 5x. And we'll take out the fractions. Negative 2/5 of the integral. That's not negative 2/5 at all because this is to multiply it. That's just that part multiplied. So that part multiplying it is going to give you 4/25 of e to the 2x sine 5x dx. But now it's come back at you. It kept slipping away, but it's just come back, and now I've got you because that's just I. So I can write this equation like this. That's why I had a name for it. I equals, I've got to put all this down, negative a fifth e to the 2x cos 5x 2/25 e to the 2x sine 5x minus 4/25, but I, and that's what I'm wanting. I want I, so I'll just bring that over here and get rid of that coefficient, well, the new coefficient, and that'll be it done. So bringing that over, now there is a plus c, which I'm not putting just yet because it'll get altered, but it'll just be another constant because when I bring that across the divide. Now there's 4 bits here, but there's 25 over there. But I'm taking that over, so that's going to be adding at 29 bits. Will equal, dittos are great things. could put the plus c's in and then just change it to another letter when I do that. But that's what's here now, finished. All I've got to do is take that across and divide. So 25 multiplying there, that would cancel out and put a 5 on top with the 29 underneath. So negative 5 over 29 e to the 2x cos 5x. 25's cancel, so plus 2 over 29 e to the 2x sine 2x, sine 5x. Then I can put in my plus c. Or you could tidy up slightly by taking out some common factors. So take out the fraction, take out, so I could have e to the 2x over 29 times, and then put the positive term first. So that would be 2 sine 5x minus 5 cos 5x plus c for the final answer. Oh, completely on top. But I didn't say anything about simplifying, so I'll probably get into that line would do you.